Good morning. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want more information on other immigration topics, you can always find it at our YouTube channel at TNT Visa. All one word, TNT Visa. And if you like this video, we ask that you please subscribe to the channel to get more up-to-date information. If you would like more information about our law firm or other immigration topics, they can also be found at our website at www.tntvisa.com. Again, that's www.tntvisa.com. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation based on the information you found in this topic or in other videos that you have seen, you can always reach out to us at 305-433-7677, or you can email us at info@tntvisa.com. Now, we've discussed a variety of different ways to work in the United States, but sometimes you may not be able to work in the United States because you don't necessarily have the skills or the English language to do so. In that situation, what is best option for you is probably apply for a student visa. Now, a student visa doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to a college or a university. It just means that you're coming to study in the United States. Now, for those who are under 18 years of age, you cannot apply for it unless you're going to a private school. So like a Christian school, a Catholic school, something like that, where you actually have to pay for admission to the school. Or you can come to the United States to study English. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can do this, and it's all going to depend upon where you're from, what your situation is, and whether or not you have the financial means to take care of it. Now, if you're in the United States and you enter the United States legally under a tourist visa or some other type of visa, you can potentially change your status into the student status. Now, please note that if you do that, you are not going to be able to go to school until that is approved. And right now, it is taking several months for them to review it. In fact, when I'm saying several months, you're looking at least 10 months for them to review it. Now, there's also been some change in the policy that you have to be aware of, and that is that the school has to maintain the I-20 and has to consistently keep it open. If they close it, immigration is now sending out notices of denial stating that it was closed and you're no longer eligible to file and get change of status. Now, this is important because in the past, they used to request information so that you could fix the situation. But now, because they're just issuing out denials, if you do not have a valid I-20, which is issued by the school, and the school has to keep up to date, which means that you need to stay on top of the school to verify that the I-20 is still valid, you will get your change of status denied. Now, that doesn't mean anything because it does mean you can still apply for the student visa, but you would now have to leave the country and apply for it the traditional way, which is apply for it at the embassy. And when you apply for it at the embassy, you're going to prove that you are coming to the United States to study in some sort of aspect. Now, if you are doing English language for your study and you are an adult, that may be an issue depending on where you're living. So you should talk to an immigration attorney to determine what is the best course of action that you can do. And again, you can reach us at 305-433-7677 or at info@tntvisa.com to schedule an appointment. If you're applying for a university, to go to study for a degree like a bachelor's degree or master's, then it's not going to be as difficult or as issue as long as you have the ability to prove that you're going to be able to support yourself while you're in the United States. And that can come from a variety of different factors, from parents, from families, from friends, from people who are willing to state that they will support you. Because you do have to prove that you have the financial means to pay for the school, pay for lodging, pay for food. And that's all going to be found in the I-20, which is again issued by the school. These are very important things that you have to understand. Now, the benefit of having a student visa is if you are studying for an actual degree, like a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or something like that, once you graduate, you can actually seek what is known as OPT, which will allow you to work in the United States for 1 full year without having to apply for any other type of visa, but you do have to apply for a work authorization card. And that gives you an ability to work in the field, determine whether or not if you do a good enough job, that company may sponsor you for another type of visa, such as the H-1B visa or the permanent residency, such as the perm. So this gives you an opportunity. And again, if you have a STEM degree, which is science, technology, engineering, or math, you can actually get that OPT for an additional time period. These are things that you should consider because these are things that help you stay in the United States to find other legal routes to stay in the United States and work legally. Now, the student visa, again, can be done while you're in the United States or it can be done at the embassy. Most of the time, you're going to do it at the embassy, but depending on what you're seeking, if again, you're looking to study English in the United States, you may want to apply for the change of status request. This is all going to be a legal determination that you and your attorney should work with and discuss. And again, if you would like to get information from us about that, you can always reach us at 305-433-7677, or you can email us at info@tntvisa.com. We thank you so much for watching. We hope this gives you a little bit of information regarding the student visa. We are here to help you. If you have any questions, just reach out to us at info@tntvisa.com or 305-433-7677. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at TNT Visa, all one word, or you can find more information about us on our website at www.tntvisa.com. We thank you again for watching. We look forward to talking to you soon, and we look forward to giving you additional information on other immigration topics that may benefit you and your family. Have a wonderful week.